you have a cell phone store, you need to have parts. You gotta have a good source of parts. You can't be buying on Amazon. Amazon parts, unfortunately, you don't know what you're getting. So what we do is we have a company called Mobile Centrics that we buy from, and we buy a lot. How you start on a cell phone store? You start with probably 3 or 4, and then you go up from there. You buy the best one that you're selling because your market probably is not going to be the same as mine. My market is 95% iPhones. So we can stock on iPhone, and that's good. The Samsungs are not easy to keep up because there's a million of them. But you got to get parts. You can't just tell the customer, oh, we're going to order it when the customer walks in. That's not right. That's not right because you're going to lose a lot of customers. Your business is not going to be profitable. You're going to have a lot of walkouts. When a customer walks through your door, you got to make sure you have parts. iPads, the glasses, 2 or 3 for each one. It won't hurt. The XRs, they sell like crazy. 11, they sell like crazy. X, the A+. These ones are slow sell now. They used to be a lot of money. But they're slow sell, but we still gotta have it. 5s, batteries. You gotta have batteries for the phones. Because they're gonna die. And you're gonna make money out of it. Home buttons, earpieces, charging ports. For the PlayStation 5, you gotta have charging ports. You gotta have conductors. You gotta have everything on it. If you want to buy flux, you gotta have flux. If you do micro soldering, solder iron, you gotta have everything. You can't rely on ordering on demand. You can't. You have to have parts. You need to have parts. Hard drive, solid state drive. When the customer want to do a solid state drive, you can't order them. They're not crazy expensive. Do not take the money from the customer, put it on your pocket, go spend it. You got to grow your economy. You got to grow the money that the store owns, the budget. Do not try to spend it all. When you open a business, try to put money back into the business. Believe me, at the end, that will give you more profit. And that's the money that you can eat from. And then you can reinvest too. Reinvest as much as you can. If you can have an extra source of income while you're opening your store the first year, the first 2 years, that'll be awesome because that will help you a lot too. Do it that way and you will come back and thank me. Parts, they don't hurt, they leave money back. All these parts, we have parts for every iPhone. And some Samsungs. We have here A03, A13, but they're common. A21s. This one came by mistake, but we're gonna take it. A13 5G. Some parts are not gonna make it. Some parts they can come messed up from factory. There's nothing that you can do about it. But if you have a company that you can rely on, like the company we use Mobile Centrics. But don't get me wrong, there's a lot of companies that will warranty for life. The only thing that you gotta pay is the shipping. For example, I send like 10 screens. 10 between screens, a cable, and a charger. And it was like $300 back. They put it on my account. I was buying on credit for a couple of days. So that's the thing. If they're gonna receive it, why not? This screen, when we ordered this one, the red label, if this one comes with a warranty that is called OLED. If the LCD breaks, they're gonna replace it. That's good. The customers come in with the LCD, you can surprise them, giving them a little discount that it works towards you. If the customer breaks their LCD, they gotta come ready to pay for a new LCD. If you discount $20 on that helps you. And you're probably not losing anything. Or you can make it towards you, but it's up to you. But that's the thing. You gotta know how to play your game. You can't be buying 2 screens and trying to make it with that, because you're not gonna survive. You're 2 years in, 3 years in, 4 years in the business, and you don't have an inventory. Quit, quit, because you over there making nothing. Making $1,000, $2,000 a month maybe on payments, activations, and stuff. You're waiting to get shot by robbery or something. You know, don't do that. Don't do that. Here we're here to make money.